Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn what is the use of subtotal in Excel. So let me get into the examples. There are sales details. First they have given the sales date and reason and location name as well as sales amount. So when I want to see only for the Maharashtra sale, so that the year the amount should come only for the Maharashtra sales. So let me select the Maharashtra. Now we can see the figures got changed out. Even we can see what is the total amount over here. The same amount it is reflecting over here. Now let me show it to you how to use the subtotal. Using the subtotal we can achieve this one. First let me unfilter it. Just unfilter that. I am deleting it. Subtotal. Some value. For that I am choosing 9. So the 9 is some function number, and here it is asking the reference number top to down I am selecting until the data range. So I selected the data range. Now we can see the total amount it's coming on the top. The same amount it is there here. Now suppose if I want to see only for Karnataka Bengaluru location what is the sale. Let me get into this. Now I am applying for the filter and apply the filter over here for Karnataka, and I want to see only for the Bangalore. I don't want need to see the total sales for the other locations. Now let me select the Bangalore only. Once I choose the Bangalore, automatically whatever the sales is happened and that location, that amount over reflecting here. So it will be like a dynamic. Automatically it will get the changes in the top figures. So wherever we applied the subtotal formula, this will be very useful in many cases. You can also try it whenever you feel to see like these locations wise sale and again reason wise sale. It will be very useful. And let me unfilter it. If I want to see for the Davangere as simple as I am unselecting all. Now Davangere I want to see the total amount coming over here. Let me make it in the here on this currency output. It will be very easy to understanding what is the figure. So these are very simple to use subtotal. In future also you can try and you can show your management also. Many of the people they doesn't know how to use the subtotal. So using the subtotal we can easily find out reason wise and location wise sales amounts. Thanks for watching this video.